Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to convert whole database character set and collation to Armenian Standard Code for Information Interchange or ASCII, American Standard or big5 or binary in PhpMyAdmin. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in PhpMyAdmin, and then you see character set and collation Latin 2. So we are going to change it. On top you see operation, so click on it, and then scroll down, you see collation section, and then you see drop down. Now scroll up, on top you see Armenian Standard Code for Information Interchange. So this is the character set and this is the collation, and then you see ASCII, American Standard. So this is the character set and this is the collation. Then you see big5 character set and collation, and then you see binary character set and collation. So you can select according to your requirement. So we select this and then enable both this option, change all table collation. Also check change all table column collation. So click on go. Now changing character set, and then you see your SQL query has been executed successfully. Now click on structure again, loading, and then you see character set and location change, back to operation, and then you see drop down. Now select, and then you see American Standard. Now select, again select both option, and then click on go. Again changing character set, and then you see query executed. Click on structure again. Now you see collation change with character set. On top you see operation, so click on it, and then you see drop down. Now select big5, again select both option, then click on go. Again changing character set, and then click on structure again. Now you see collation change, back to operation, and then you see drop down. So you can select binary also. So it's up to you. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.